Our aim as an institution is not to train job seekers. We aim to train youth who can employ themselves or create employment, and at the same time employ others, even other youth with who are able-bodied. So this is a great opportunity to diversify their opportunities for employability, and it is really helping us to complete the journey towards digital inclusion. I want to call our youth here to take up the space in digital access, to be able to earn an income and become independent. Generally, what we are looking for is equipping our youth with the kits. That is the computers that you can see here. They have been given the computers, the software, and the content that is within those computers, and now they are using the internet to access more content. Now the next level that we are taking up is mentorship. We have to mentor them within the digital space. We have to mentor them within the employability space. We have to mentor them within the business space so that they can participate equally like any other youth in the society. As we always say, technology is the game changer. It is the equalizer of opportunities, and that is what we have witnessed here. Thank you.
Today being the last day, we've been doing on transcription, content writing, as well as data entry. So maybe one of the challenges I have had as a trainer is that sometimes trainees are overambitious. Maybe wanafikiria ni kufinya the dollar na inatoka tu. But we counter that with letting them know that they need to be a bit patient with the whole process. It takes some time. It takes some hard work.
From Monday, a week now, today we have been trained about Upwork, how we can search for jobs online. This training will help me to get some money, which will help me to pay for my school fees, help my parents to pay my school fee.
Tumekuwa tukifunzwa about online working platforms, different platforms.